Good day, everyone. I'm Armstetter S. Reyes, and I'm here to introduce SustainaX, a sustainable technology company built on the belief that clean water should never be a luxury. Our mission is simple yet powerful, to create a sustainable solution for thirsty world. Next slide. About our company. SustainaX, we transform renewable energy and natural resources into life-changing innovation. We design solar-powered atmospheric water generators or AWGs that use a biomass sorbent technology to extract clean water directly from the air. Our goal is aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, empowering community, protecting the environment, and ensuring that everyone has access to safe drinking. Next slide is the problem. Water scarcity is one of the world most urgent crises. In many areas, prolonged drought and depleted water sources leave families without reliability access to clean water. Meanwhile, bottled water and traditional AWGs are costly, energy hungry, and harmful to the environment. The world needs a smarter, greener, and decentralized solution, and that's exactly what SustainaX provides. And the next slide is the target market. Our initial focus is on household is drought-prone communities, local government units, and non-governmental organizations. This group often lead water relief and sustainability efforts, making them ideal partners for impact and scalability. Next one is the product. Our product, the SustainaX atmospheric water generator, is a solar-powered, biomass-based device that creates clean water for humidity in the air. It's designed for homes, remote communities, disaster response operations. By combining renewable energy and eco-friendly materials, it provides affordable, off-grid, and sustainable water access. Next slide is for the technology. Our technology stands on three pillars. First is the biomass sorbent. Biomass sorbents natural materials that absorb and release moisture efficiently. Next, next is the Peltier cooling system, a thermoelectric process that condenses vapor into liquid. Lastly is the multi-stage filtration, ensuring that every drop is safe and drinkable. The system is solar powered, low maintenance, and built for long-term community use. Next slide is for the competitive analysis or competitive edge. Unlike commercial AWGs, water refilling station or bottled water, which depend on grid electricity and generate plastic waste, SustainaX offer an eco-friendly i- standalone solution. We generate water everywhere or anywhere, anytime without relying on traditional utilities. In short, it's sustainable, self-sufficiency, and smart. Next slide is for the business model. We generate revenue through three channels. First is the product sales. Product sales units for households and communities. Second one is the water as a service. Pay, pay per liter system for sustainable community income. Lastly is the maintenance plans. It is to continuous revenue from filter and biomass replacement services. This ensure both profitability and long-term community partnership. Next slide is to to go market plan. Our rollout begins with the pilot installation in key communities, backed by awareness campaigns and local engagement. By working without community leaders and NGOs, we build trust, gather feedback, and demonstrate impact preparing for larger scale deployment. Next slide is our current status. As of 2025, we've completed our alpha prototype. We successfully tested its key system, moisture capture, condensation, and filtration, and we are now preparing for field trials in selected communities. By 2027, we aim to launch a beta to final version during demo day with at least three pilot installation and our first paying institutional client. And next slide, our vision and timeline. Our vision is to make SustainaX the trusted clean water technology provider for off-grid and disaster-prone areas. From 2025 to 2028, we'll progress through three milestones. First is for the product, because product refined and scale prototypes. Next one is the market is to secure partners and clients. Lastly, the business. Business establish full operation and reach break even through recurring sales. By 2028, we envision SustainaX serving multiple communities, turning air into life sustaining water. And lastly, this is my team, our team. Our team is composed of passionate innovators. First, our project leader is Franz Miguel Manalili. Our product development is Julian Cabanilla, and me, technical research and operational and logistic is care of we Mark Clarence Zabata, and for the finance and outreach, Enzo Ong. Together, we blend technical expertise and social commitment to bring SustainaX to life. And at SustainaX, we don't just create water, we create hope. We believe that every drop we produce represents a step toward equality, resilience, and sustainability. Thank you, and we invite you to join us in making clean water accessible for all. That's all, and thank you.